Welcome to South Korea travel vlog, Cheonggyecheon Stream, a Christmas night stroll. In this video, we introduce Cheonggyecheon Stream as a unique urban oasis in the heart of Seoul. Experience the magic of Cheonggyecheon Stream on Christmas night. You will see the breathtaking footage of the stream's serene beauty, highlighting its contrast with the bustling cityscape. This video was captured on December 25, 2025. Cheonggyecheon Stream was transformed after dark, offering a unique and romantic nighttime experience in Seoul. The video captures the stream's beauty at night, highlighting its illuminated pathways, vibrant street food, and charming atmosphere. Stay till the end to witness the most magical moments of the night. If you are a virtual traveler, enjoy the illuminated Cheonggyecheon Stream at night and its unique nighttime experience. If you are planning to travel to Korea, this video can help you decide whether to add this location to your South Korea travel itinerary. Get ready to step into a winter wonderland as we take you through the dazzling lights, festive vibes, and serene beauty of Cheonggyecheon Stream on December 25th. From shimmering reflections on the water to breathtaking holiday decorations, this iconic Seoul landmark transforms into a dreamlike escape. The 10-kilometer Cheonggyecheon Stream flows through the heart of Seoul, and I captured the main highlights. The full video till the end offers a unique experience at each part of the stream, so stay till the end to witness the most magical moments of the night.
Snow is falling, the world's aglow. Korea's winter magic starts to show. From Seoul to countryside, laughter's in the air. Holiday spirit, it's everywhere. Ice skating under the city light.
I'd like to share my personal experience with you. I remember the first time I saw Cheonggyecheon Stream at daytime, I was captivated by its transformation from a concrete channel to a vibrant urban oasis. This night, I felt like stepping into a different world where the city's lights danced on the water's surface, creating a truly mesmerizing atmosphere. This video, I will take you on a nighttime stroll along Cheonggyecheon and show you why this hidden gem of Seoul is a must-visit destination, especially during Christmas time. In this video, you will discover its history, stunning architecture, and vibrant atmosphere, making it an ideal spot for a relaxing stroll or a fun-filled day out.
Bundle up, it's time to relax. Winter in Korea is the perfect getaway. Oh, let's sing, let's cheer. Korean winter's finally here. Snow-capped mountains, sky so bright. A holiday dream in the chilly night. Feel the joy, the love so winter holidays are the best of the year.
Once a neglected and polluted concrete channel, Cheonggyecheon Stream in Seoul underwent a remarkable transformation. Originally covered by an overpass in the mid-20th century due to rapid urbanization, it became a symbol of industrialization's cost to nature. However, in 2005, an ambitious urban renewal project restored the stream to its natural beauty, turning it into a vibrant urban oasis. Today, it's a thriving hub of culture and relaxation, offering scenic walks, stunning light displays, and a glimpse into Seoul's harmonious blend of history and modernity. Cheonggyecheon Stream offers a perfect mix of history, culture, and modern urban beauty, making it a popular attraction for tourists visiting Seoul. Whether you're looking for a relaxing stroll or vibrant city lights, here's what you can enjoy: stunning night lights and seasonal festivals. During special events like Christmas, Lantern Festival, and Spring Blossoms, the stream is illuminated with dazzling light displays and decorations. A perfect place for romantic walks and Instagram-worthy moments. The stream is lined with contemporary art pieces, murals, and cultural exhibits reflecting Korean heritage. Frequent street performances and interactive art installations add to the charm. The 11-kilometer scenic walking path provides a peaceful escape from the city's hustle. Enjoy soothing waterfalls, light shows, stepping stones, and lush greenery along the way. From here, you can easily walk to major spots like Gwanghwamun Square, Dongdaemun Market, and Insadong, making it a great stop on a sightseeing tour.
Skiing in country, snowflakes fall, sledding and fun for one and all. Fester the lights at countryside. Winter's magic has all the power. Hold the hand and enjoy the beauty. Cool air buzzing, gifts to share. Holiday wonders are everywhere. Oh, let's sing, let's cheer. Korean winter's finally here. Snow-capped mountains, skies so bright. A holiday dream in the chilly night. Feel the joy, the love so near. This winter holidays are the best of the year. From the lantern lights to the snowy trees, this winter feels like a breeze. Warm hearts and mittens, families embrace. Smiles and laughter light up every place. Oh, let's sing, let's cheer. Korean winter's finally here. Snow-capped mountains, sky so bright. A holiday dream in the chilly night. Feel the joy, the love so near. This winter holidays are the best of the year. So come along, join the winter song. Nature is calling, the place all belong. With snow and love and holiday cheer, this winter's magic is crystal clear.
This stream offers a serene retreat in the heart of bustling Seoul, where the gentle sound of flowing water creates a peaceful atmosphere, inviting visitors to relax and unwind. As you stroll along the illuminated pathways, you'll be captivated by stunning light displays, featuring enchanting themes such as glowing fish, majestic sharks, and vibrant aquatic scenes that bring the stream to life at night. Whether you're admiring the shimmering reflections or simply enjoying the calming ambiance, Cheonggyecheon is the perfect blend of nature, art, and city charm. So I call this Christmas display as tranquil escape with mesmerizing lights and soothing sounds. I must emphasize one point. The interplay of light and water while you are enjoying the mesmerizing, illuminated pathways along the stream. The gentle ripples of the stream reflect the vibrant colors, bringing to life themed illuminations such as graceful fish, majestic sharks, and whimsical underwater scenes. show on the water adjacent to the stream is wonderful. The streamed sound and fish display in the water went well. Visitors can take their time, stopping at key viewing spots to admire reflections of colorful lanterns and LED art on the water. The Seoul Lantern Festival, held annually along Cheonggyecheon Stream, transforms this urban waterway into a mesmerizing light and art display. Each year, the festival adopts a unique theme that showcases a blend of traditional Korean culture and modern artistry. This was ideal for casual strolls, photography, and capturing the serene ambiance. Several pedestrian bridges cross over the stream, offering panoramic views of the lights and water below. Benches and resting spots along the streamlet, visitors enjoy the sound of flowing water and the glow of lights. Those who can't visit in person can experience the beauty of the stream I captured in this South Korea travel vlog on YouTube. If you like it, please click the like and share button. Also, remember to subscribe for more travel stories and support this channel. Clicking on that subscribe button is a small action, but it helps this channel grow. In this Korean travel vlog, I captured the vibrant atmosphere, providing a great virtual experience for you. The 2024 festival, themed Seoul Lantern, Play with the Light of Seoul, features over 200 lantern installations illuminating the stream with vibrant colors and intricate designs. These displays range from representations of traditional folklore to contemporary motifs, creating a captivating visual experience for visitors. If you were one of the viewers who attended, please feel free to share your own experiences in the comments section. The 10.84-kilometer Cheonggyecheon Stream flows through the heart of Seoul, from Gwanghwamun to Dongdaemun. It is a transformed ecological park of natural beauty after 3 years of restoration project. Daytime at Cheonggyecheon Stream is also great. Cheonggyecheon Stream passes close to many tourist attractions, such as Gyeongbogung Palace, Jongmyo Shrine, Gwangjang Market, and Dongdaemun shopping malls and subway stations. Visitors can easily stroll along the stream and visit the nearby tourist sites. Cheonggyecheon Stream at night. Visitors can enjoy the fantastic display of light and water at the stream's start point, Cheonggi Plaza. Another interesting sight at the Seoul Lantern Festival is the food trucks, which sell delicious cuisine to the night visitors. If you have already visited this during another season, please share your memorable experience in Seoul in the comments section. I want to highlight the positive impact of the stream's restoration on the surrounding neighborhood and tourists who visit. I am amazed at the economic benefits this showcase attracts. Wish this city's future and commitment to creating a more livable and sustainable environment. The stream is full of families and couples strolling hand in hand along the stream, capturing the romantic ambience of the setting. You will find more travel videos in this channel. If you are looking for South Korea travel guide, best places to visit in South Korea, things to do in Seoul, Korea must visit, K-culture, Korean food, South Korea tourism, travel tips. Make sure to watch other episodes too. Watch now and start planning your ultimate Korean adventure.
Snow is falling, the world's aglow. Korea's winter magic starts to show. From Seoul to countryside, laughter's in the air. Holiday spirit, it's everywhere. Ice skating under the city lights. Bundle up, it's time to relax. Winter in Korea is the perfect getaway. Oh, let's sing, let's cheer. Korean winter's finally here. Snow-capped mountains, sky so bright. A holiday dream in the chilly night. Feel the joy, the love so near. Winter holidays are the best of the year. In country, snowflakes fall. Sledding and fun for one and all. Festive lights at countryside. Winter's magic has all the power. Hold the hand and enjoy the beauty. Cool air, buzzing gifts to share. Holiday wonders are everywhere. Oh, let's sing, let's cheer. Aquarian winter's finally here. Snow-capped mountains, skies so bright. A holiday dream in the chilly night. Feel the joy, the love so near. This winter holidays are the best of the year. From the lantern lights to the snowy trees, this winter feels like a breeze. Warm hearts and mittens, families embrace. Smiles and laughter light up every place. Oh, let's sing, let's cheer. Korean winter's finally here. Snow-capped mountains, skies so bright. A holiday dream in the chilly night. Feel the joy, the love so near. This winter holidays are the best of the year.